Tennis Jamaica, we've used the downtime wisely. We have not been just sitting back, so certainly a lot of things are in the works, and we got the letter just within the last week confirming the resumption of tennis. Clearly there are a lot of guidelines, most of which are new, that we have to adhere to, certain permits we have to apply for, but definitely the day is coming closer, and we're going to roll out a number of events, not only junior events, but tackling amateur tennis, some pro events, some also recreational events. So we're looking forward to back on the court and having a good summer of tennis.
What can you say to people who want to get involved, get out there, become a part of Tennis Jamaica, follow the movement? What can you say to them to encourage them, especially coming out of what we've all had to deal with a year or so ago?
Well, I think the first thing to stress is that tennis is widely recognized as the safest sport. I mean, for a number of reasons. There's non-contact, players don't come within 6 feet of each other often, if at all, so it's a safe sport. That's one. And at Tennis Jamaica, you know, we're looking forward to working with everybody at all levels. So looking forward for recreational players, just for the love of the sport, obviously those competing at various levels. I think you'd have heard also about the new agreement we just signed with Universal Tennis, where tennis players at all levels can now benefit from UTR ranking points. Playing here in Jamaica, in the past you had to go overseas to get those ranking points. So things are good. I mean, I'm never one to look and say we're doing well enough. I always think there's far more to be done. But thank God we're looking forward to back out on the courts, and I'm sure that persons are likewise looking forward to the formal resumption of the sport.